This video covers the software used to control the layout and the accessories. This video is not an in-depth explanation of computer programming. The video is an overview of the software used to control the Lionel trains, layout, and accessories. Two programming languages are used to control the trains, layout, and accessories. Arduinos are used to control the layout hardware, such as switches and accessories. The programming language used by the Arduinos is based on C++. Another programming language utilized is Python. Python is an interpreted language that provides an interface between a PC and the Arduino software and hardware. Python is also used to control Lionel trains via a special Bluetooth interface. Arduinos are programmed in a language based on C. The goal of this section is not to make you an expert C programmer, but to give you an overview of how an Arduino program is used to control hardware on the Lionel layout. Arduinos come in a variety of flavors. The most common type of Arduino is the Arduino Uno. After you purchase an Arduino, you will need to download the software that controls the operation of the Arduino. The software is called the Arduino IDE and can be found on the Arduino website. Once you install and set up the IDE, you can start programming the Arduino. The Arduino is connected to a PC using a USB connection. Once the connection is set up and working, programs created in the IDE can be sent to the Arduino. An Arduino sketch is a program written in the Arduino programming language, based on C/C++, that acts as the instructions for an Arduino board. Created in the Arduino IDE, these files ending in .ino are compiled into machine code and uploaded to the microcontroller, enabling functionality like reading sensors or controlling devices. Every sketch contains two essential functions: setup, runs once for initialization, and loop, runs continuously. An Arduino function is a self-contained block of program code designed to perform a specific task, which can be executed multiple times from different parts of a program. The sample program is called Blink and is taken from the examples found in the Arduino IDE. The program blinks the built-in LED every second. The comments, lines preceded by //, tell you what each line of code does. Once the program is typed in, you can compile it to check for errors by clicking on the check mark, or you can compile the program if no errors and send it to the Arduino by clicking on the arrow. Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language known for its readability and simple, English-like syntax. It is open source, versatile, and supported by a large community and a vast collection of libraries, making it popular for both beginners and experienced professionals. Key features: readability. Python's design emphasizes clear, logical code with the use of significant white space indentation rather than curly brackets, making it easy to learn and understand. Versatility. As a general-purpose language, it can be used for a wide variety of applications and supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Interpreted. Python is an interpreted language, meaning code can be executed line by line almost immediately, which speeds up the prototyping and debugging process. Extensive libraries. It has a large standard library included by default, as well as thousands of third-party modules available through the Python Package Index, PyPI, that prevent developers from having to write everything from scratch. Cross-platform. Python is portable and runs on all major operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Before you can connect to an Arduino through Bluetooth, you must have a Bluetooth device such as an HC06 attached to the Arduino. When power is applied to the Arduino, the HC06 will start blinking, indicating that it needs to be paired with your operating system. To pair the HC06 with your operating system such as Windows 11, you first go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, then Add Device. In the Add a Device window, click on Device. A list of devices will appear. Select the HC06 and then connect. It will ask for a PIN number. The default PIN number is 1234. Click on Connect and should indicate a connection occurred. After a few seconds, it will disconnect. The HC06 can now be accessed using Python. Before connecting Python to an HC06, you need to know its COM address. You can find the address in Windows 11 by going to Settings, Bluetooth, and Devices. Click on the HC06 icon, then scroll down to More Bluetooth Settings. In the Bluetooth Settings window, click on the COM Ports tab. Find the HC06 outgoing port, and you will see the COM port needed to connect to the HC06. In the video, the outgoing port is COM25. The port value can vary if you change the HC06 or if you delete and reinstall the HC06. Python's idle, integrated development and learning environment offers two primary ways to run code: an interactive shell for immediate feedback on single lines and a file editor for writing, saving, and executing full scripts. When you install Python, idle is automatically installed. After installing idle in Windows 11, you can start it by going to the Windows 11 menu and selecting Python then idle. It's suggested that you move the idle icon to the desktop to make starting idle easier. After starting idle, the idle shell will load. To write a program, you need to create a script. To start a new script, click on File then New File. The script editor will appear. In the script editor, you can start typing your program. An example of a Python program is shown in the video. The program is divided into different sections. The top section contains the libraries that will be used. Below the libraries, functions are defined, and listed below the functions are the statements and operators. To begin the example program, start idle, then click on File, then Open. Find the file you want to run, then open it. If the file has been previously opened, you can find the file more quickly if you open the file from recent. Once the file is opened, you can execute the file by pressing function key F5, or you can click on Run then Run Module. The program will begin execution. In this example, an input statement will cause the program to stop. You must press any key to continue execution of the program. After pressing a key, the program continues to perform the operations as shown in the video.